Welcome to this new chapter, and we are going to be talking about pointers. Pointers are one of the important topics in C++, and they allow you to do some of the things very conveniently, and we're going to be learning about all those tricky things you can do with them in this chapter. But now, I want you to have a basic understanding of what a pointer really is. So far, we have been working with variables like this. We set up a variable in our C++ code. We get to a point where we put a value inside that variable and we could use it. For example, we could print it out on stdcout, or we could even store a value or assign another value to the variable. We've been doing that quite a lot. But there is a point we haven't really been talking about. Those variables have an address in memory. And here, for example, you see that our var is stored at location 1008. Of course, this is a simple example I came up with, but I hope it drives the point home. All the variables you use in your code have some kind of address in memory, and we can grab that address and store that in a special kind of variable, which is really a pointer. So we can say that a pointer is a special kind of variable that stores addresses of other variables. Make sure you really understand this. Here we have a pvar, so it is a pointer. Its type is int pointer, and we denote pointer using this star symbol after our type. If you see something like this, you're going to know that this type is a pointer to int. Its name is going to be pvar because it's a variable, and its value is going to be the address of another variable. You see, it is storing 1008, which happens to be the address of our var here in memory. Pointers and variables we've been talking about can work hand in hand, and we're going to be seeing how this is done in the next few lectures in the chapter, but the basic idea is really the same. Here you see that we have a pointer to int, but you can have a pointer really to anything in your code. You can have a pointer to char, you can have a pointer to double, you can have a pointer to float, even pointers to custom types we haven't really talked about now, but we will learn about them later in the course. Again, a pointer is a special type of variable in your C++ program that is going to store addresses to other variables. That's what it really is. And we're going to start and see how you can declare, initialize, and use them in your code starting in the next lecture. Go ahead and finish up here and meet me there.